All right, today we are talking about a regular pyramid, and we want to find the surface area of a regular pyramid. Now, a pyramid, a regular pyramid is one that has a base that's a regular polygon. That means basically the base has to have all equal sides. So we're going to be mostly talking about square pyramids or equilateral triangle pyramids. The lateral faces are all triangles. So the height of the triangle, you have to use the slant height, not the height of the pyramid. So those are a little different. Um, and there's really no formula to use. You got to find the area of all the different pieces and add it together. So the first thing I do is I like to draw the base. So the base is a square. That's a 5 by 5. So that's going to be 25 for the area of the square. Then I draw the triangle, and the slant height is 8, and the base is 5. So 5 times 8 divided by 2 is 20. Now, if you notice over on the left-hand side, I have a net for that. So see how I've got 125 and there's 4 triangles, so 4 20s. So when I add that up, I end up with 105 inches squared. All right, example 2. So the base is a square, so 4 by 4, because it's a regular square. That means sides are all equal. The triangle, the base is 4, and the height is 3. So the area of the square is 16. The area of the triangle ends up being 6, because you got 3 times 4 divided by 2. Now remember, there are 4 triangles and 1 square, so I add those all up, and I end up with 40 inches squared. All right, now this one is a triangular pyramid. It's a regular triangular pyramid. That means that triangle for the base, that is an equilateral triangle. So it's a 10 with a height of 8.7. And the other one is not an equilateral triangle, but it is a triangle. The base is still 10. This one has a height of 14. And there ends up being 3 of those. So the first area of the triangle, the base, you get 43.5. And then the second one, you get 70. Now, when you add those up, you see how there are 3 70s because there's 3 of those. And then there's only one base, that's 43.5. This is another equilateral triangle pyramid. So this base is the 6 and 5.2. So that area ends up being 15.6. Then if we do the lateral face, the base is still 6, but this time the height is 10. So that's 30. If you got 60, you forgot to divide by 2. Now, there end up being 3 of the 30s and 1 of the 15.6s. So we end up with 105.6 feet squared. Now this one's a little more difficult, so we'll save this for video number 2.